Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing my eating of the frog for you guys, which essentially is just everything that I know that I have to get done that kind of makes the rest of my day go easier so that I can deep clean or I can organize or whatever it might be. So that would be like doing the laundry, making sure my bed is made, picking up my bathroom from the morning, and then making sure my dishes are done. My husband does do the dishes before work every morning, but sometimes there's just more, especially with us going keto. We have a lot more dishes than what I thought we would. So he does a load, and then once I get back from taking Joshua to school, then I do a load. So as you guys can see, I'm just starting a load of laundry right here, and then I'll be going into my bedroom. But I think I'm just going to let the music play and kind of pop in periodically, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I thought that I went into my room next, but I guess I went into Jasper's room. Jasper is the youngest, he is 2, and he does pick up his toys and things like that, but he is the only one that I really help clean his room, unless the older boys need like a deep clean of their room, just because he's not really good at making his bed, and trying to keep a 2-year-old on task is very hard. And so I do go in there and I make his bed and things like that, which he had really picked up all of his toys already. It wasn't too much of a mess. So I really just wanted to make sure that it was all ready for him for nap time to come in. Nap time was a little bit further down the road, but I also wanted to make sure that it was clean and there was no distractions, because he cannot have any distractions. Okay, and so like right here, I so desperately wanted to like pick all of that up and do my laundry, but again, I needed to stay on track for like the main things, because once I get sucked into laundry and doing all of that, I'll be like deep cleaning my bedroom, and that was not the goal for this time period that I had. This all took me about 30 minutes, so I wanted to make sure to stay on track, but this cube right here was driving me nuts, so I just pushed that back in because it was driving me nuts. As you can see, Jasper has come in to help. He was trying to tell me what to do, but I so badly wanted to show you more of him because it was so cute, but he was only in a diaper because he had to have a really quick bath, and he didn't want to get dressed. So he just was so cute chit-chatting, and he kept trying so hard to like convince me to let him stay in there, but with him only being in a diaper, I didn't want him to be shown. But he's so funny, you guys. He tries so bad to help do dishes, and it's so cute. much for watching. That'll do it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I would see you in the next one. Have a great day, everybody.